Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Reagan, and today we are going to be unbagging my Ipsy bag for the month of June. So this is what the bag looks like. It is a very spring color looking, and the first thing that was in there was obviously didn't fit, but it looks like there's two facial masks from Bio Bell. This is the Unicorn Glow. Let's see here, perfectly radiant with chocolate, mulberry, and honey. So that sounds like something you would eat. Enjoy this unicorn chocolate with 0 calories, giving your skin what it craves. In just 15 minutes, our delicious antioxidant-rich chocolate and mulberry act together to help visibly brighten and treat uneven skin tone, while honey hydrates and softens your skin, giving you the perfect complexion. So that I am very interested in trying out. I always love some good face mask. Let's see here, the next thing in the bag, which I was happy to get because I had actually just run out of this. It is the Pixie Glow Tonic. Everybody raves about this, so I had bought like a sample of it to try it out and see how well it worked, and it really has made a difference with my skin. I've noticed just from having like one little bottle of it. So I'm glad that I got another like sample size to hold me over until I actually go out and buy like the big bottle of it, because I'm definitely going to end up owning the full size as well as this stuff works. And let's see here, the next thing in the bag, which I was also super happy about because I am a huge fan of Luxie brushes. So this one is the Luxie 245 Small Shader, and this is what it looks like. It's really good for the inner highlighting and even getting like right underneath the lower lash line there. So can't wait to use that brush. Let's see here. Next thing that we got is from Makeup Forever. This is a Step 1 Skin Equalizer Base Hydrating Primer. And I've heard really good things about this primer, that it really helps with smoothing out the skin. So it almost even looks like a lotion when you put it on there. You can definitely tell that it hydrates the skin area. So excited to see how well that actually works underneath my regular makeup routine. And then the last thing that we got in the bag, this is, what is this? From Dulce. This is a luscious lip stain in the color Holiday Getaway. So this is a really pretty kind of like peachy colored. Let me get it open. I am excited to see how well it works. I think I've gotten one other thing from this brand, and it was a mascara, which it was okay. It wasn't the best, but we'll see how the lip stain works. Yeah, this color just screams summer. It's very pretty. Let it focus there. It's very soft on the lips. And it feels like it dries down relatively quickly as well, which I like about liquid lipstick. And it's not sticky at all, which is really good. So I'm definitely going to have to wear this throughout the day and just see how well it holds up, and I will get back to you on that and let you know. But that is everything that was in this month's Ipsy bag. Ipsy is a $10 a month bag where you get anywhere from about 5 items or so that are all pretty much going to be sample sizes. Sometimes you get full-size items, like the brush, for instance, is obviously a full-size item. So if you're not familiar with it, definitely check it out. It is a really good makeup subscription box to have if you're just starting out. And you get to kind of customize the items that you get. So you get items that is going to fit your needs. But I thank you for watching. If you have not already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and hit that notification bell so that you will be reminded the next time that I upload. Again, thanks for watching and you have a great day.